do some more sentences. We've got 3 sentences here. All right, let's do the is an article adjective. Old is an adjective modifying sailor, which is a noun. A is an article adjective. Stoic is an adjective. And is a coordinating conjunction. And impassive is an adjective. And veteran is a noun. Impassive is modifying veteran, and so is stoic, modifying veteran. I kind of like to pull out my ands, my coordinating conjunctions, and see what they're combining, because I know I'm going to have 2 of something. So stoic and impassive are equal, and they are both modifying veteran, so those are both adjectives. Climbs is an action verb. The is an article adjective, and a mizzen-mast is a noun. Now, here's something kind of cool with the English language. I don't have to know what mizzen-mast is, but I already know it's a noun because it's got an article adjective in front of it, and that's it. All nouns will have an article adjective introducing it somehow. Okay, so let's go find our predicate. Remember, our predicate is our verb. So climbs is our action verb predicate. Who or what climbs? The sailor climbs. The sailor climbs. What does the sailor climb? The mizzen-mast, and it's a direct object because it is an action verb predicate, which is why we say action verb predicate and not just predicate. Okay, so let's see. We have this whole weird thing right here, stuck here, and we've got some road signs. Okay, those road signs kind of give us a clue, and if you notice, we don't have anything for level 2 right here, so we have to determine what is a stoic and impassive veteran doing. Well, it's defining sailor. So this whole thing, this a stoic and impassive veteran, is in a positive phrase. Okay? We have one subject predicate set, which means we have an independent clause for this sentence, which makes it a simple declarative. All right. You'll have to forgive my handwriting. Okay, here we go. Alan is a noun. A is an article adjective. Hot-tempered is an adjective modifying player, which is a noun. Baseball is also an adjective modifying player. Which player? A baseball player. Which player? A hot-tempered player. Charged is an action verb. The is an article adjective. Umpire is a noun. And last week is acting as a prepositional phrase. So last is a prep. Week is a noun. You know me, I get rid of my prepositional phrases right off the bat. So week is the object of the preposition. Third line is a prepositional phrase. When was he when did he charge? Last week, so that would be an adverb. So let's modify it. Okay, so go find your predicate. Remember, your predicate is your verb. That would be charged. Action verb predicate charged. Who or what charged? Alan charged. And what did Alan charge? He charged the umpire. All right, so once again, we are stuck with this funny thing with nothing in level 2, but we do have some road signs. And those road signs are our clues. So what is a hot-tempered baseball player? Well, that's Alan. So that is a positive phrase because it is an interrupting definition defining Alan. Okay, we have one subject predicate set, which makes that an independent clause, and again, it is a simple declarative. If you don't know clauses and sentences yet, at level 4 and 5, it's just fine. We're going to get there. See, you're already building confidence. I promise we'll get you there. Okay, the is an article adjective. Island is a noun. Was is a linking verb. A is an article adjective, and jewel is a noun. Of is a preposition. Green is an adjective modifying verdure, which is a noun. Turquoise is an adjective modifying water, which is a noun. And is a coordinating conjunction. Yellow is an adjective modifying sand, which is a noun. Now, we said that prepositional phrases are going to end in a parenthesis, but I want to highlight this and. What am I combining here? Well, if you know anything about commas, you know a comma, and an and. This is a series of things. So we've got one thing, two things, three things. So they're combining all of those. So if I were to do my object of the prepositions, verdure would be one, water would be one, and sand would be one, because they're all combined because of the commas and the coordinating conjunction. This whole thing is a prepositional phrase, and it's all modifying jewel, and jewel is a noun, which makes that whole thing an adjective prepositional phrase. Now, the really cool thing about this sentence, all of that you just did just went away. It's gone. So all you have left is the island was a jewel. So go find your predicate. Was is a linking verb predicate. Who or what was? Island. Was. What was island? Island was a jewel. That's a predicate nominative. Okay. We have one subject predicate set, and so that makes it an independent clause and a simple declarative. But wait, I thought we were working on this whole idea of appositive phrases. Shouldn't we have an appositive phrase here? Well, you might say, well, isn't this verdure and water and sand, isn't that defining the jewel? It's really not, because it's in this prepositional phrase. Like I said, you get rid of them first, they go away, and then they're really not there. However, we had one yesterday where of the universe was inside of an appositive phrase. You cannot have an appositive phrase be the whole prepositional phrase. Okay, I hope that makes sense.